A troubling trend emerging right now as so many of you continue to get vaccinated. The CDC says about 8% of Americans are skipping the second dose. News 12's Katie Vasquez spoke with two local doctors concerned about these numbers tonight.
As more people get their shot in the arm, the CDC says some of them are not returning for their second dose. They say it's been the case for 8%, which is more than 5 million people. The first dose provides 80% immunity, but medical experts say you are not fully vaccinated unless you receive both doses of Pfizer or Moderna.
Not only are you making more antibody, like in total numbers of antibody, but for a longer period of time as well, so it'll protect you longer.
The CDC says these statistics don't take into account people who may have received their doses at different clinics. Experts found some people were worried about getting sick from the second shot, and others just couldn't find time to get to that second appointment. But a medical professional from St. Barnabas Hospital says don't let that stop you.
There's flexibility to receive them up to 6 weeks from the first dose. If you have not been able, for whatever circumstance, to receive the vaccine on day number 21, well, talk to your healthcare provider.
Ultimately, not receiving the second dose could affect herd immunity.
If they can't catch the virus, they then can't spread the virus. If they're one of those 10 people standing around you on the subway, they could be a broken link in that chain of immunity around you, and then put all those other 9 people at risk around them.
Both agree that any side effects are normal with any vaccine, and getting both could also protect against variants of the virus. Katie Vasquez, News 12.
On these new numbers coming from the CDC, we asked you over on Twitter a little bit earlier today, were you or are you nervous about getting that second shot? Right now, the majority saying no. 78% say no, and 21% do admit, yes, they are a little bit nervous. And a lot of you are commenting about this over on our Facebook page. Lulu wrote, I received both vaccines. She got Moderna on Friday after work, and my side effects were slim to none. Along with many, I came across a slight headache, a chill, a little tired. So she saw what most people expect after that second dose. Meanwhile, we had Serenity here saying, I don't blame them, posting that picture there, which kind of gives you a look at exactly how Serenity is feeling. And next up, Hell said, no, I had both injections and will take a booster if I have to. Want to get to our last comment coming in tonight from Fran saying, this is sad to hear. They're looking forward to getting that second Pfizer shot coming up a little bit later on this month. You can go share your opinion on our Facebook page right now. We are keeping a close look at this conversation tonight.